Bersamin Pangandaman ni Marcos, nag-resign na.
Nagsimula ito nung tumawag si Sekmina Pangandaman sa akin nung nag-umpisa ang BICAM process last year, 2024. Ang sabi niya, katatapos lang ng meeting nila ni Pangulo at may instructions na mag-insert o magpasok ng 100 billion worth of projects sa BICAM. At sinabi pa ni Sekmina, you can confirm with Yusek Adrian Bersamin dahil magkasama sila sa meeting ni Pangulong BBM noong araw na yon. Tinawagan ko po agad si Yusek Adrian Bersamin at tinanong ko kung may instruction nga ba ang Pangulo na magpasok ng 100 billion during their meeting. Ang sabi niya ay totoo nga po.
Sa bayang resignation ng biglang gumisig sa Malacanang in the wake of Zaldico's revelasyon kuno. Nang biglang nag-resign daw sina Executive Secretary at dating Supreme Court Justice Lucas Bersamin, kanyang pamangkin na si Adrian Bersamin at Department of Budget and Management Secretary Amina Pangandaman ayon kay Auntie Claire Castro.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has formally accepted the resignations of Executive Secretary Lucas P. Bersamin and Department of Budget and Management Secretary Amina Pangandaman. Both officials respectfully offered and tendered their resignations out of delicadeza after their departments were mentioned in allegations related to the flood control anomaly currently under investigation, and in recognition of the responsibility to allow the administration to address the matter appropriately.
Or at least, that's what Auntie Claire said. Voluntary raw ang kanilang resignation, which was disputed by dating Executive Secretary Bersamin, who said na hindi siya nag-resign out of delicadeza or whatever kasi that means na he's skirting out, na guilty siya, or the very least, yun yung makikita ng public. Sabi niya, hindi raw siya nag-resign out of delicadeza or anything for that matter, no matter how good that sounds. He was fired from the job. Pinaalis siya. Ayon sa advice ng isang kaibigan whom he did not name. Basta ang sabi, mag-quit na siya. He has to quit.
Hindi ako nag-resign. Pag sinabi mong nag-resign ka, parang may tinatakbuhan ka. Na magandang pakinggan yung for delicadeza, ang ganda. Pero hindi totoo yung nag-resign ako. Sabi ko, walang problema yan. I will accept that because I'm only serving at the pleasure of the President. I do not know. That you ask them kung bakit nila without consulting me. The messaging should be clear. You ask them if they had a letter. I felt bad somehow, but I am not